Hello traders, the title of the video is how to forecast a price action using the profit targets like a pro. Alright, do you want to forecast the price action? Alright, do you know how to forecast the price action? There are many ways we can forecast the price action. One example is to use the Elliott wave principle. We can also use the predictive fractal pattern to forecast the next price move. Alright. However, we can also use the profit target to forecast the price more. All right, let's begin the demonstration. I have been talking about this for some time, so traders that have been following us probably already know a little bit about this, but it's just a shout out. All right, as I'm barking about this, try to stick it in your mind. All right, one more time. This is a very good example here how one can use the price action, how one can use the profit target to forecast the price action. So here we are. So financial instrument move ups from here to here, and then it pulls back. Okay. For that bullish momentum to continue, it is very important. It's essential that the price find support above that high. So the first high is this one here. This is the language of the price. Price went up, boom, pull back, invitation to buy. If that bullish momentum should continue, it must find support above this high. See here, so in that, so it breaks above it, start a bit, find support near the moving average 14, went back above that first high. Now it retested here and found support, and swing traders, position traders responded and bought it, and it started going up. So now the question is, all right, where is it going? All right, how far can it go? Where are we likely to see resistance as the price going up? Here it comes. We'll use the price, profit target. So we measure the height. We can use the length. I talked about this before. I don't want to dwell on it. We can use the length and project that length above that high. Okay, so that target will be there using the length of the price action. We can use the magnitude of the price actions from the high of that bullish move to the low of that bullish move. This is about the height of the price action, and we project it above that first high. So from here, we will say to financial, so if you are giving advice to some friends, you must be a professional financial advisor before you can, advise people in the financial market. I need to tell you that. If you want to, say something about this stock, you at this junction, you will say that, this stock, professional will expect it to go up to this level of $90.87, provided that the fundamentals are solid and people continue to buy it. So you will be analyzing the volume bar also, but you can forecast using the price action that there is a possibility that this stock, the medium term, because I'm on a monthly chart, can go up to the $90 level. And people will be saying, how do you get it? How do you get that information? How do you know? And you'll say, I use the price, the profit target. So you will see to people that, if it start going up, there will be a kind of resistance in this zone. That's the midpoint target. So if you say that, if you come near the level of $74, there will be a kind of resistance there. So be aware. If you want to take some profit in that zone, you can take some profit at midpoint at $74. So here it is, you can see that the price found a resistance there. Can you see? Here in this zone, people saw, you see this one got a tail, pull back nearly moving at 14, breaks above. This is a nice place, you see. So if finally again, one more time, as it breaks above this high here, finally support, goes up to the midpoint target. Look what it did again, breaks above the midpoint, retest again, boom, to the ultimate target. So this is how we can use, the profit target to forecast the price action. So you may be wondering, where are we going now? I will tell you in a minute. So watch the full length for this video so you may understand everything. So now finally you will say, there will be some resistance here. All right, we will see a bit of challenge here. So we cross above it, and it's found a support. Say, okay, now there is a high chance that we will reach that target. Okay, because you see the movement of 14 still rising nicely. See here, still nice. That's the momentum, the speed. All right. So you say, all right. For the midpoint, we can go to the $90. Now we go to $90, you say, okay, we will see a kind of resistance in that zone. Did you see any resistance? You see? This is good for day trader to know where we are likely to see, okay, momentum very fast as a day trader to capitalize in those positions. So we can use the profit target to forecast the next price action. So as it reaches the level of $90, say, all right, there will be some profit taking definitely in this zone. See here? But if it goes above in the final support, it's a gigantic. You see this one? Whew, they sold it. So one more time, as it goes above that $90, you use again your measuring stick and project it one more time. Say, if people love this financial instrument, if the market stay bullish, if the S&P continue to go up, the market sentiment is solid, and this company continue to create more value. By the way, this company is called Intuit Incorporation, EPIC, INTU. India November Tango, India November Tango Uniform. This is an American stock that belongs to the technology sector, the software application. So now you will say that, okay, if everything is okay, we can even go to the $125. People will be saying, how do you know? Well, you are using a profit target to forecast the next price move, that if it continues, because you see, it's above that bullish trend line, and also the moving at 14 nicely. You see how the moving at 14 is supporting the price? Just going up, people bounce, deviation for the moving at 14, return to the moving at 14, people are just buying all over the place. So your target will be $125 zone, and you will again give a warning to your friends, all right, because you are not a professional advisor, that at the midpoint target level, there will be a kind of resistance. This is a bumpy zone, all right? You see the midpoint again? Did we have a resistance? Yes. Did you use the profit target to forecast that there will be a kind of resistance in a zone of $107? Yes, you did. Because you know that if there is an ultimate target at 125, there will be a midpoint target here. As a day trader, swing trader, you will be monitoring the reaction of the price here. Look at that. Have you used the profit target to forecast the next price move? Yes, you did. That's what you are doing here. You are forecasting what is likely to take place before it even taking place. So here again, you see what you did again here. Final resistance, again, one more time, final resistance at $107 level. And finally, look again, breaks above, retest. So you hear it after this candlestick bar, you'll be saying to your friend, all right, saying that, okay, if things stay good, all right, implement a top-down trading method, different time frame trading method, control the risk, possibility that we will reach the target at $125 level. What have you been doing? You have been focusing the financial market using the price, the profit target alone. So now you may say, Joe, where are we going now? So I will say to you, okay, one more time, you project it again here, and you will be telling your friend, as a, if they are pushing it, they love this story, everything work well, the ultimate target, the third ultimate target is $158 level. You see how they push it here? And you'll be seeing that there will be a kind of resistance where at the midpoint level. That's where we are now. We are at the midpoint target level. Will it break above that midpoint target and find a support? Will it find a resistance at the $141 zone, which is the midpoint target? Will it one day reach the level of $158 level? So you have been using the profit target to forecast the next price boom, but you are not assuming anything. You just know where are the possible target level, and if, okay, they start pushing it up, break it above, retest for the support, you will be part of it using a different time frame trading method without violating the trading a triangle. So now, day trader will be watching $141.79 level. Go now to the daily chart and see what's happening there now. You see, price gap. You understand what's happening here? Because a lot of people start selling it here. You see, when they reach this ultimate target level at 125 level, you remember, the price form a kind of That's why I said you use different time frame to see the bigger picture. People start selling because it start forming a double top on a daily chart, and a lot of swing traders start selling here. But you know why the price gap up? Because their stop loss were taken out. A lot of stop loss here. So they were taken out, they push it now to the midpoint target level. So price gap up to a target level. Watch it. So we will say to trade priority to bearish signal below $141.79 and priority to bullish signal above that level. That's all we can say at this point in time. If you find a support above $141.79, possibility that it will go up to $158 level. But because we can see that two targets, this is very important, all right? So the price does not go up forever, okay? So one thing that the professional always pay attention to, the first target was hit, the second target is hit, all right? When we are trying to hit the third target, it's not sometimes easy, unless we are in the third area wave, all right? It can be challenging. So you start saying to your friends, all right, that again, anytime you see two lines, so we put a midpoint here, all right, we can again divide. So because we push it a bit too far now, we can divide this top half into two again and monitor the reaction of the price at $150 level, all right? So prior to bullish signal above 141.79, but because we push it too far, we need to go a little bit one step at a time. So therefore, we can divide this top half into two, and you'll be saying to people, we need to be a little bit careful. We have made enough money so far. The stock went up a bit, so go gently now. So if it goes above 141.79, don't push it too far. Watch $150 level. So that will be a cautionary, okay, step one should take at this junction. All right. So definitely, one can use, okay, a profit target to forecast the price action. This is the end of this demonstration about how to forecast price action using profit target like a pro. If you have any question or suggestion, all right, put in the comment section, and of course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you think this video has been useful to you, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another blah blah blah, feel free to let us know by giving us the thumbs down, all right? If you think that this is an essential tutorial that will benefit to other market participants, all right, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to forecast price action using the profit targets like a pro. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.